love about Plant Power Mask is we are showing the power of plants to heal and repair our hair. Plant Power Repair Mask uses a 6-in-1 repair complex that targets damage, balances moisture, boosts shine, strengthens the hair, defrizzes, protects, softens, and allows the hair to recover from UV and environmental damage. What makes our Plant Power Repair Mask so unique is our vegan protein complex that's plant-derived and includes baobab and pea proteins. While most repair masks focus on hair health, ours also looks after your scalp with blue tansy oil and baobab oil. This product really was created for the curly girl who wants to have it all. She wants to straighten her hair occasionally, wear it curly, get it color treated, run and play and have fun in the sun. This mask was built for someone whose hair endures a lot of damage from the environment and also from the styling that we do to it. We recommend using it once a week, but you really need to figure out for yourself what the right cadence is.